Okay, today we're going to unbox the M18 2730-20 6.5-inch circular saw. This is tool only, doesn't come with charger or battery or anything. Open it up and see what we got here. Instruction booklet. Comes with a framing blade. And then we have the saw itself. It does have some little solution booklet stuff in it. So here's the saw itself. So there's the saw itself. We'll put our blade on. So it does have the little Allen wrench here to put the blade on. The stop is right there, so we can hold that in while we loosen up the So that comes off like that. We'll put our blade on. Take the cover off the blade. That. Open it up like that. Like that. Put this part back on. And we can hand tighten this on the arbor here. Okay, now we can lock it to tighten it up. Make sure she's getting tight. Remove our Allen, put it back in the little holder thing. Saw does have this nice little hook, so if you're framing or whatever, you can just hang it, get it out of the way. It's got all kinds of adjustments here to adjust your articulation of your fence. Put a battery in. Oh, it is lighted too. So I don't know if you can see that, but it lights up right where your blade is. It's really nice. So you push this down. It's got a lot of torque. It's a nice saw. Definitely recommend it.